Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make an scratch game called Catch the Apple. Your own backdrop. I am choosing blue sky. Then delete the cat sprite. Then add an bowl or anything to catch. Then an apple. Then it falls down. So, two apple to make it difficult. First, when the flag is clicked, make a variable called score. Then set score to 0. It will restart after one game. Then forever it want to go to this position. So go to minus 16, 140 like this. Next, if you can add to if, because if right arrow is clicked, it want to go to right. If the left arrow is clicked, it want to go to left. So if touching, if key space is pressed, key right arrow is pressed, then it want to change x by 10, then it will go right. Next, if key left arrow is pressed, it want to change x by minus 10. Now it will work. Change x by minus 10. Include minus 10, it will not work if not included. Now let's test. It's working fine. Then next code for the apple is, when the flag is clicked, go to the motion section and go to random position. Change y set change y set y to 180. Then forever go to motion. Then change y by 180. Oh, minus 5, sorry. Then if statement, then less than symbol, then y position in the motion section. Motion a y position is less than minus 170. It want to go to random position, means it will disappear and go to a random position. Random position. Then change set y to 180. Our first code is done. Now the apple will fall. But the bowl want to catch it. So when the flag is clicked, it want to go forever. Forever if touching bowl, if touching bowl, then make a sound. You can make a sound or not, is depending on your wish. I am making a sound pop. Then go to the sound section. Then start sound pop. It will pop when it's catching. Then it want to disappear. So go to a random position. Then set y to 180. Now our code is finished. Then change score to 1. Then the score will increase. Mm, Change score by 1. Then duplicate it. Then you can, otherwise you can duplicate and uh, put the code into Apple 2, or you can make your own code. It's your wish. I duplicated it and paste it. Make sure you add change score by 1. I made a mistake. Now it's working. It's working fine. It's working. And the score is going. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and share.